Question number 8. In figure, O is a point in the interior of a triangle ABC. OD is perpendicular on BC, OE is perpendicular on AC, and OF is perpendicular on AB. And we have to prove this whole thing, this whole large thing we have to prove in very easy way. Only the thing is that if you first drawing it, it will look like this, right? Because only perpendiculars are given. Then how I separated figure? Because in answer we want OA square, so I am drawing this OA by dotted line. Then I want OB square, so I am drawing it like this. And if I want OC square, so I am drawing it. Then I have written separately that I want OA square. So this is the concept of Pythagoras law. So 190 degrees over here, so OA will be hypotenuse, so I have drawn this. As well as over here D is 90 degrees, so I have take BO as hypotenuse. And in the third one I want that E is 90 and OC is the hypotenuse. Only we just have to apply Pythagoras law in proper manner. So let me begin the answer. In triangle AFO, if we are applying Pythagoras law, so AO square will be equals to AF square. Let us write as OA square, so we can match it in easy, plus OF square. And that is condition number 1. Let us talk about another triangle, that is triangle BDO. And if we are writing OB whole square is equals to BD square plus OD square. And we will write it as condition number 2. And in the third one, in triangle CEO, if we are applying OC square, that is hypotenuse and it is 90. So it will looking like that CE square plus the remaining that OE square, and that is the condition number 3. Now add all these things 1, 2 and 3. So how it will look? Left hand side will be added to left. So A square plus OB square plus the third one is OC square. And that will be equals to what? That will be equals to AF whole square plus OF whole square. Plus we will take this. So we will write that BD square plus OD square. And the third side we having from our RHS, that is CE square. CE square plus OE square plus OE square. So now we will see our answer. What we want? We want OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, OF one side and resting another side. Means here we are keeping OA whole square as it is, OB whole square as it is, and OC whole square as it is. We will keep AF here because we want BD over here and CE over here. So resting we have to shift, let us shift minus OD square, we have to shift, it will change its sign. OF equals to के इस साइड आ जाएगा तो OB माइनस हो जाएगा OF स्क्वायर, और OE भी इस साइड आ जाएगा तो OB माइनस हो जाएगा, तो इक्वल्स टू के इस साइड क्या रह गया, तो इट विल रिमेन AF होल स्क्वायर प्लस BD होल स्क्वायर प्लस CE होल स्क्वायर. And the thing what we have to prove, we have proven, so you can make it highlight if you want. So this is the answer of the first question. So as you can see, second proof we have to prove. We have to prove it as AF square plus BD square plus CE square in this way. So how we will prove? As in a first one, this is the large first, or you can give it name as A because 1, 2 and 3 we have given over here. So AF square, BD square, CE square, and we have to prove it in this way. So we will take left hand side and right hand side. We will take left hand side and we will prove it equals to right hand side. So here from 1 what we can write, what is left hand side, so we can write it is equals to what is AF square plus BD square plus CE square, so we will write from here OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OF square minus OE square. Now we have to modify it, we have to make one combination over here that it can make AE over here. So here right now we don't want this figure, so let me rub and let me explain you some another figures so you can make combination in a better way. So here we want AF square. So first we will find where is AF. So here is AF. And if we want to make square of it, let me draw the figure. If f is 90 degree over here, so AO will remain, AO will be remain. So here what is Pythagoras law? So AF square. Let me write first Pythagoras law. So that is OA square plus OF square, and that will be equals to AF square. Sorry. Here we have to apply Pythagoras law, means AO square is hypotenuse, and that will be equals to AF square plus OF square. So here we want AF square, means if we are subtracting OA square and minus OF square, that will be equals to AF square, right? So here we want AE square. Likewise, so we will find AE over here. Then we will take that triangle, and this is how we will prove. So what we will do? We will draw that triangle. We will write it as A, and we will write it as O. What is hypotenuse? So that is AO square, and that will be equals to what? OE square plus AE square, right? Now we want AE in answer. Okay, that was the question which I have explained over here, but in answer हमको AE चाहिए, यानी इसको इतना सॉल्व करो कि इसकी जगह पे AE स्क्वायर आए. यानी अगर हम OA स्क्वायर माइनस OE स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं, यानी if we are shifting, we are getting value of AE square, right? So we will make combination of OA and minus OE, means we will take this. So let me write first combination over here. OA square minus OE square. Let us write it in separate way. Now another thing, we want CD square. So we will find that triangle. So here I am rubbing this. Whatever I want, I will take that triangle. We want what? CD square. So CD is coming here, over here. Let me draw that. It is C and D, and upper side is O, and wait, it will be D, and this will be C, because the D is 90 over here. And if we have applied Pythagoras law, it will looking like OC square is equals to OD square plus CD square. And in answer, what we want? We want answer CD square. So we will shift OC square minus OD square, and that will be equals to CD square. Means we will make another combination as OC square minus OD square. So here I am writing OC square minus OD square, and we will write it at separate. So the third and the last thing will remain, that is this OB square and minus that OF square. Let us write, and we will check it, that OB square minus OF square, we have made combination of it. And as we know from there that we made combination that OA square is equals to AE square, let us write OC minus OD is equals to that CD square. And the third one, whatever remain, that is OB minus OF. Let us check where is OB and where is OF, means we have to talk about this triangle OF and OB, and they will give BF square. So that is equals to BF square. And the thing is that we have taken this and we have proved. So here we will write LHS is equals to RHS. And this concept was very clear and very easy. And these all things is depend on our thinking. We not have to mention. If you don't want to mention, you can't mention, but for our understanding that which triangle we are taking, we can draw it separately and we can prove it in very easy way. So this is the concept of this question, and this question was very easier. Only apply Pythagoras law wherever we want. So here let me read the question number 9 and question number 10. Both are same, because here again we have to apply Pythagoras law. But it is not in the form of OA, AB, BC, but they have given measurement that, let me read it, a ladder of a 10 meter long reaches a window of 8 meter above the ground. So suppose this is a window and this is the ground, and 8 meter above that window is there, and if we are attaching one ladder over here, suppose this one is a ladder, and that ladder is of what? 10 meter long, and what we have to find? Find the ground, find the foot of the ladder from the base of a wall, means we have to find this. So let us give it name as ABC, as we know that perpendicular line and a base will make 90 degree over here. So our B is 90 over here. Let me solve this. So here our hypotenuse will be AC, and we are applying Pythagoras law. So it will become AB square plus BC So let us substitute the value, that it will become 10 square and it will become 8 square. And what is our BC? That we have to find. So here it will become 100 because 10 into 10 will be 100 and 8 8s are 64 plus BC square. Let us shift all the numbers one side and keep BC square all the way this side. So here as we can see 100 minus 64, that will become 36 and that is equals to BC square. Take root both the side, then it will become 6 and it is equals to BC square. That's why we can flip it and we will write that BC is equals to 6. Now it is in meter, so let us mention it as meter. This is the concept of this question and it was very easy, only we have to apply Pythagoras law. Same in another next figure, let us read the question and what we have to do. I am drawing triangle because this is the chapter of a triangle, it must be triangle. A gay wire attached to the vertical pole. One pole is there and its height is 18 meter, means it is pole and its vertical height is this. A wire attached to the vertical pole, height 80 meter is 24 meter long. So what is one question they gave, that what is the height of wire and what is the height of pole. So again we will read the question. A gay wire attached to the vertical pole, okay, wire is attached to vertical pole, height 18 meter is 24 meter long. Means this is 18 meter and the length of that wire is 24 meter. Okay, how far from the base of the pole should be driven so wire can be taut, यानी हमको नीचे इतना कितना उसको लेंथ में रखना है, यानी if taking wire of 24 centimeter, if I am attaching it will be stack over here. So कहाँ तक मैं इसको खींच के लेके जाऊंगी कि वो यहाँ पे टाइट हो, तो फिर हमको ढूंढनी है क्या, तो बेस. So let us write it in the form of this. As we know that vertical height and horizontal height will make 90 degree over here. So let us apply Pythagoras law. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So what is the value? What is the hypotenuse? That is 24 meter and its square, and that is 18 and its square, and we have to write BC over here and its square. So let us do square of it. So here we will write 24 square, that will be 576, and 18 square, that will be 324, and BC square will keep as it is. Let us subtract 576 minus 324 and that will be equals to BC square. So what is the value of it? It will be come to 52, that will be equals to BC square. Now it is not perfect square, so let us split like in that way that it could be take out maximum number of perfect square. So 6 into 6 into 7, that will be 36 into 7 will be 252. So by taking root both the side, so BC will remain over here, 1 6 we will take out and 7 will remain inside, and that will be meter. So BC is the base and the length of the base is 6 under root 7 meter. This is the concept. This was very easy concept to solve it.